Using Query Store with Azure SQL Scale-Up is a powerful way to optimize and improve the performance of your database. Query Store is a feature in Azure SQL that allows you to track and analyze query performance, providing valuable insights into your database's workload. To get started, you need to enable Query Store on your Azure SQL Database. This can be done through the Azure portal or using T-SQL commands. Once enabled, Query Store will begin collecting data on query execution plans, runtimes, and other performance metrics. The next step is to configure Query Store settings to suit your needs. This includes setting the data retention period, the maximum size of the store, and the interval at which data is collected. It is essential to strike a balance between collecting enough data to be useful and avoiding excessive storage usage. With Query Store enabled and configured, you can begin analyzing query performance. The Query Store provides a range of views and tables that contain information on query execution, plans, wait statistics, and other performance metrics. You can use these views to identify long-running queries, queries with high CPU usage, and other performance bottlenecks. To scale up your Azure SQL database using Query Store, you need to identify the queries that are causing performance issues and optimize them. This can involve rewriting queries, creating new indexes, or modifying existing indexes. Query Store provides the information you need to make informed decisions about which queries to optimize and how to optimize them. Best practices for using Query Store with Azure SQL Scale-Up include regularly reviewing query performance, optimizing queries that are causing performance issues, and monitoring the impact of changes on query performance. It is also essential to ensure that Query Store is properly configured and maintained to avoid excessive storage usage and ensure accurate data collection. In summary, using Query Store with Azure SQL Scale-Up is a powerful way to optimize and improve the performance of your database. By enabling Query Store, configuring settings, analyzing query performance, and optimizing queries, you can identify and address performance bottlenecks, improve query performance, and scale up your Azure SQL database to meet the needs of your application.